So
Okay.
kung na-hospital sila abroad, how will PhilHealth pay them or how
Okay.
will PhilHealth deduct their expenses?
Okay.
Alam ba sa abroad na magbabawas ng PhilHealth or how does it happen?
Okay, ang mangyayari rito, they have to directly reimburse their PhilHealth benefits here in our country sa Pilipinas. So, halimbawa, na hospitalize siya sa somewhere in Middle East. Tapos, assuming na member siya ng PhilHealth at bayad naman siya ng premium contribution, pwede niya ma-reimburse ngayon yung hospitalization niya doon. Pero, ang mangyayari, kung magkano yung benepisyo natin dito, let us say, sabihin natin asthma na nasa around 19,000 pesos, yun lang din yung ma-reimburse niya
Reimburse
rito.
nila.
So, anong kailangan nilang malaman? Paano sila mag-reimburse? So, first of all, they have to secure yung official receipts nila doon sa ibang bansa, no, kung saan sila na-hospitalize. Pangalawa, maganda kung makuha nila yung statement of account, medical abstract, and dapat nasa lengguaheng English, no? Para maintindihan. Tapos, they also have to fill out yung PhilHealth Claim Form 1. Be filled out by the member. So, kung naipon na nila yun, and other documents na pwedeng sumuporta, no? They have 180 days upon the date of discharge from the hospital para ma-file nila dito sa ating bansa. So, 180 days. So, ang reckoning point natin siya yung the date of discharge. That's equivalent to 6 months.
Okay,
I think that's more than enough time na para
ma-claim
ma-reimburse.
nila. Oo.
So, paano nila papa-reimburse? Kung nauwi sila rito sa bansa, they could directly reimburse it, dalhin na sa LIO, or pwedeng pwede nila ipadala through registered mail.
Oh, okay. Hindi
sa-
pwedeng through their representatives
Pwede
here.
rin through their
Okay.
authorized
That's authorization.
representative. Pwede
Okay.
rin through their next of kin authorized representative. Ang importante, pasok dun sa 180 days.